gentlemen, we would like to welcome our respected director, Dr. Ranjani Krishnaswamy, and our dearest principal, Ms. Rajni Patil, to grace today's event. It's wonderful to see you all eagerly waiting to have a glimpse of your children perform today. Thank you for joining us.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
I request our principal, Ms. Rajni Patil, to please lead us into prayer and address the gathering.
I request all of you to please rise for our school prayer to make it an even better place. Teach me to be kind and helpful to all. Respect my elders and care for those who need my help. Thank you for this school and teach me to do my lessons as best as I can. Please be seated. The textbook's content will not teach these life skills to them. Life skills like commitment, life skills like teamwork, collaboration, facing challenges, being resilient, all these things can be learned only when they participate, engage, and involve themselves in these activities. And therefore, the concert for us is of utmost importance. I will also take a moment to highlight the fact that the theme of this concert, Kabuliwala, is a brainchild of our school director, Dr. Ranjani Krishnaswamy. She not only conceptualized this idea, but she also scripted and directed the entire show. With these words, I thank you each and everyone present here for being a part of this special day. Now sit back, relax, enjoy and applaud all that our children have created for us. It's a magic. Please don't forget to applaud them for that. And let this applause continue throughout. We all are here going to be for almost 1.5 hours. So let this exercise go on throughout. Thank you very much. I wish all the best. We are waiting for our children to take the stage.
Song to be presented by our school choir, followed by the prayer dance. Let's give them a big welcome with a round of applause.
Providing knowledge and learning is its
शक्तिमान, तू ही है मेरे जीवन का संगीत, तू ही महान सर्वशक्तिमान, तू ही है मेरे जीवन का संगीत। हृदय के तार छेड़े झनकार, हृदय के तार छेड़े झनकार, तेरी आराधना है मधुर गीत, जीवन से मेरे तू महिमा पाए, एक ही कामना करूं, पाप क्षमा कर जीवन दे दे, दया की याचना करूं, तेरी आराधना करूं।
For your motivating and inspiring song and wonderful prayer dance. In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, the importance of universal human connections, human relationships, and selfless love and sacrifice cannot be overstated. As we navigate the complexities of social media, online communication, and increasingly busy lives, it's easy to lose sight of the value of genuine in-person connections. However, the story of the Kabuliwala reminds us that meaningful relationships are the backbone of a fulfilling life. By investing time and effort in building and nurturing connections with others, we can cultivate a sense of community, empathy, and understanding that transcends geographical and cultural boundaries. Moreover, selfless love and sacrifice, as exemplified by the Kabuliwala's devotion to his daughter, inspire us to prioritize the needs of others and strive for a more compassionate and harmonious world. As we move forward in this increasingly interconnected, yet often isolating world, let us hold close the lessons of the Kabuliwala and strive to foster deeper, more meaningful connections with those around us. Our motto is to celebrate diversity, unity, secularity, and most of all, togetherness. Get ready to embrace a beautiful display showcasing all these attributes.
In the mountainous terrain of Afghanistan lived Rahmat Mia, a tradesman by profession. Every year, he and several of his friends would go to India, bearing with them a variety of dried fruits such as almonds, cashews, apricots, and others, and sell them to Indian traders or rich Indian people. The money got was often lent to needy Indians, and once a certain monetary target was reached, they would go back to their homeland. Since they were also money lenders, they were called Pathans or Kabuliwalas or men from Kabul. This is the story of a very poignant relationship between Rahmat Mia and Mini, a young Indian girl. It is based on a short story of the same name by Rabindranath Tagore. Kabuliwala was also made into a Hindi movie by Bimal Roy. We present to you Kabuliwala in the form of a dance drama.
Rahmat Mia's house.
Biwi, I think the time to go to India has come. Our funds are running low, and yesterday my friends were talking about making our annual visit there.
When do you think you will go?
Maybe tomorrow night?
So soon.
Abbu, you cannot go alone. We will also come with you.
No, my Gudiya, you cannot come. I will be back soon with lots of toys for my Gudiya.
He lifts his daughter and swings her around to allay her fears. Really, Abbu? All for me? A doll that can close its eyes and has golden hair?
Of course, Gudiya. Make a list. I will get you all you want. Now do this for me.
He takes a sheet of paper and some colored liquid.
Now put your palms in this and press it on the paper. Now my Gudiya will be with me all the time.
Father and daughter do the activity happily while Bibi looks on sadly.
Chalo, ab so jao.
The family goes to bed, and the next night, when his daughter is asleep, Rahmat leaves his wife and daughter to join his friends on the journey to India. It is a long trip, and Afghan dance and sing to pass their time on the journey.
गर खुदा मुझसे कहे, गर खुदा मुझसे कहे, कुछ मांग ऐ बंदे मेरे, मैं ये मांगू, मैं ये मांगू, महफिलों के दौर यूं चलते रहे, हम पे आला, हम नेवाला, हम सफर, हम राज हों, ता कयामत जो चिरागों की तरह जलते रहे। बंदगी यारी है, यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी, यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी। दिल छेड़ो जहां में, साद दिल छेड़ो जहां में, प्यार की गूंजे सदा, साद दिल छेड़ो जहां में, प्यार की गूंजे सदा, जिन दिलों में प्यार है उनसे बहारें हों फिदा, यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी।
In India at Calcutta, a young girl of 5 years is playing along with her friends in her compound. They laugh and play hide and seek. छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, पास ही छुपना, दूर न जाना, जब
Come on, Minnie. It's time to come in. Okay, but it's getting dark. Your parents will be.
छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, छुपा छुपी खेले आओ। लुक छुप जाना, मकई का दाना, राजी की बेटी माई। सब छुप गए? नहीं दीदी, एक मिनट। सब छुप जाओ, आगे पीछे मैं बैठी हूँ अखियाँ नीचे। सब छुप जाओ, आगे पीछे मैं बैठी हूँ अखियाँ नीचे। मैं आई, मैं आई। कैसी है ये दीदी भला आँख मिचोली, बाई आँख बंद की बाई आँख खोली। तो कैसी है ये दीदी भला आँख मिचोली, बाई आँख बंद की बाई आँख खोली। पकड़ गए तुम, छोड़ो बहाना, अब मैं छुपूंगी, मुझे ढूंढ के लाना। छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, छुपा छुपी खेले आओ। चलो अब मेरी बारी है, देखो बेमन नहीं करना। हाँ
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम। घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है,
के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह।
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह। कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना।
खड़क खड़क रे खड़के खड़के खड़क सिंह का खड़के चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे जो गन्ना झोल चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोल।
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौगन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोल।
Come on, Minnie. It's time to come in. Okay, bacha log. It's getting dark. Your parents will be anxious. The game can continue tomorrow. Chalo, chalo.
Minnie goes in, has her dinner, and gets ready for bed.
Tell me a story, Mama. एक कहानी बोलो। हवा धीरे आना, नींद भरे पंख लिए झूला झूला जाना। नन्ही कली सोनी चली, हवा धीरे आना, नींद भरे पंख लिए झूला झूला जाना। नन्ही कली सोनी चली। चांद किरण सी गुड़िया नादों की है पली। चांद किरण सी गुड़िया नादों की है पली। आज अगर चांद लिया आना मेरी गली। गुन 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 गीत कोई हौले हौले गाना। नींद भरे पंख लिए झूला झूला जाना। नींद भरे पंख लिए झूला झूला जाना। दूर अगर पैरों को उलझाए, घूंघर का दाना कोई शोर मचा जाए। रानी मेरी जागी तो फिर निविया तू बहलाना। नींद भरे पंख लिए झूला झूला जाना।
Minnie's house.
Have you learnt your lessons, Minnie?
Yes, Papa, but tell me what is sasural?
Now, where did you hear that?
Bhavdi was saying that her daughter has to go to sasural and all girls have to go to their sasural. Is it very far away? I will not go.
No, my little one. There is a long time before you go there. Don't worry. Now go and play. Let me write.
Minnie plays hopscotch and sings to herself. Suddenly, in the background,
काबुली वाला, काबुली वाला, काबुली वाला, काबुली वाला।
Minnie comes running in and says,
He will carry me away in his bag. Baba, let me hide here.
Don't be silly. Call him in. Let us see what he has in his bag.
Oh Kabuliwala. Oh Kabuliwala.
आपने बुलाया? क्या दो आपको बच्चा? बाहर आओ, मैं तुम्हारा दोस्त हूँ, डरना नहीं।
Come, Minnie. Don't be afraid.
A shy Minnie comes out of her hiding place and sits close to her father.
What is there in your bag? Do you carry children away in it?
नहीं बच्चा, देखोगे? Opens his sack and displays all his wares. साहब, क्या लोगे?
It is soon going to be puja. Buy some dry fruits for bhog.
Emerging from inside, she gives a list to Rahmat.
Here, drink this. You must be thirsty.
Thank you, Bibi ji. It is very hot. He takes out the required fruits and sits chatting with Minnie and her father. He shows some games and tricks, and Minnie bursts into laughter. चलो, मैं निकलता हूँ. I will come again, not to sell the fruits, but to play with this बच्चा. खुदा हाफिज.
Bye bye Kabuliwala. Come again.
Meanwhile, Minnie and her friends, accompanied by their mothers, go to watch a dance drama that Calcutta is famous for. Children chatter excitedly as they go home after the dance drama. After some time,
काबुलीवाला, 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 काबुलीवाला.
Baba, he has come. He said he will tell me stories.
Hello, Bacha. How are you?
What is your name? Mine is Minnie, not Bacha. Call me Minnie.
Yes, Mini Bacha. My name is Rahmat Mia.
Where do you stay? Is your house very far away? Do you have friends?
How many questions you ask, Mini Bacha? My home is in Kabul. It is far up away in the mountains. Here I live with many other Pathans. We live together and talk about our families and homes.
Kabuliwala narrates a story, and there is an Afghan dance as he relives his youth in Kabul.
Kabul must be a beautiful place. But tell me, don't you get scared? Staying so
شیرین یاره دارم یاره با وفا این دل با خود میبرم باید نگاه میخوام عمرم با او یک جا بگذرد وقتی میبینمش حالم بهتره میخوام عمرم با او یک جا بگذرد وقتی میبینمش حالم بهتره چشم آهو داره لبخندش جادو داره این بچه شهر کابل با این دل بازی داره چشم آهو داره لبخندش جادو داره این بچه شهر کابل با این دل بازی داره عاشق شدم سر یار از عاشقی دل اوگار این درد دل نبارش از دردم پیشک یار چشم آهو داره لبخندش جادو داره این بچه شهر کابل با این دل بازی داره چشم آهو داره لبخندش جادو داره این بچه شهر کابل با این دل بازی داره
be a beautiful place. But tell me, don't you get scared? Staying so far away and alone. Won't your mother shout at you if you are late?
No, Mini Bacha. My mother has gone to God.
God? But that must be even further than Kabul, na? Will you not go to see her? Is it further than Sasural?
Yes, it is very far. I cannot go there. But what do you know about Sasural?
The maid has been filling her head with all nonsense.
Baudi said, I will also go to Sasural, but I will not.
No, Mini Bacha. Everyone has to go someday to Sasural. But don't worry, you are still very young. Bye bye.
Months pass by. Minnie and the Pathan keep meeting and a beautiful relationship develops between them. He tells her stories and sings songs while she dances to his native music. In the evening, she spends time dancing and playing with her friends.
बातें तेरी मेरी अब बढ़ने लगी आदतें तेरी अब मुझ में बसी यारा आंखों की शरारत भी जाने है तू यारी तेरी
अब धीरे धीरे से रूठी राहें भी खुश हो जाए, आसा मंजिल हो जो साथ तू चले। थोड़ा 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 सा एक दूजे को हम थामे, बोले मिल जाने क्या चाहे दिल भला। बिखरा था मेरा जहां भी अकेला सा, यारी तेरी ने संभाला। ओ यारा तू मेरी है खुशी, दुनिया भी तू मेरी रोशनी, राहें भी तोड़े ना टूटे ये डोरी। चाली करती है मनमानी गहरी भी यारी तेरी। चाली साथ न छोड़े पल भर को यारी तेरी। चाली जब साथ में मेरे चले, मैं आफतों से लड़के सभी हंसते हुए हर बाजी मार लूं। चलती है ये गाड़ी अपनी तेज तो कभी धीमी सी, गिर पड़ूं मैं तो थाम ले मुझको, गलती ना तेरी ना मेरी। समझे है तू मैं भी समझू, बोली ये ना समझेगी यार कैसे इतना प्यारा तू। ओ चाली तू मेरी है खुशी, दुनिया भी तू मेरी रोशनी, राहें भी तोड़े ना टूटे ये डोरी। चाली करती है मनमानी गहरी भी यारी तेरी। चाली साथ न छोड़े पल भर को यारी तेरी। चाली
बच्चा आपको ईद मुबारक, ये लो आपकी ईदी।
सजदा बड़े भी जहां कदम उस शहर में खुशहाली हो। सजा दे दिल की बस्ती, हर एक मंजिल की बस्ती, कोई भी राह मिलों से दिलों से गुलों से ना खाली हो। आई ईद वल्ला, खुशी की ईद वल्ला, ये तेरी ईद वल्ला, मेरी भी ईद वल्ला। हो आई ईद वल्ला, खुशी की ईद वल्ला, ये तेरी ईद वल्ला, मेरी भी ईद वल्ला। झोली भरी रहे अब सदा, खुशी से पाला हो बेहद उजाला हो, सुनेगा तू जब सदा। सालों की ये चाह मिलेगी पनाह, बेदर ना होगा कोई, सर पे सवाली है अब दर्द खाली है, असर ना होगा कोई।
এ ধরাতে সবার ভালো হোক, আছি যেখানে যে এসো দু হাত ধরি, চারিদিকে চাঁদের আলো হোক, যেন সবাই মিশে থাকি একই রঙে, যেন সবার ঘরে আসে সুখ, আসো এ উৎসবে মা তো খুশির হাওয়ায়, আসো দেখি সবার হাসি মুখ। ओ ले आए तेरे दर पे सजदा, वो सबके सर पे सजदा, बड़े भी जहां कदम उस शहर में खुशहाली हो, सजा दे दिल की बस्ती, हर एक मंजिल की बस्ती, कोई भी राह मिलों से दिलों से गुलों से न खाली हो। ओ आई ईद वल्ला, खुशी की ईद वल्ला, ये तेरी ईद वल्ला, मेरी भी ईद वल्ला। ओ आई ईद वल्ला, खुशी की ईद वल्ला, ये तेरी ईद वल्ला, मेरी भी ईद वल्ला।
Time flies till one day. Minnie has grown up a bit and is now going to school. She is sitting in the compound doing some homework when
Minnie, the Pathan is arrested.
Baba, see what my friends are saying. Rehmat Chacha is arrested. What does that mean?
they come out to the compound. Kabuliwala is handcuffed and being taken by the police.
Kya hua? Where are you going? Don't let him take you away.
No, mini bachcha. They are taking me to Sasural. I will come back soon.
What happened, Rehmat? क्या हुआ?
He killed the man.
What? He had borrowed money from me, साहब, and was refusing to return it. हाथापाई हो गई. इसके बीच में मेरी चाकू चल गई. करीब हूं ना साहब, मेरा कौन सुनेगा?
गलत काम किया तुमने रहमत. खैर, if you tell the truth, the judge will be sympathetic.
The family goes in.
Come on, Minnie. Andar chalo. Thank God he won't come home now. Suppose he had kidnapped my Minnie? But who listens to me? You encourage all such people because you are a writer. What do you know about a mother's anxiety?
Don't be silly. He's a good man. This was an accident. But I'm not sure how the judge will react. It is all an act of fate.
Time passes. Minnie slowly grows up from frocks to salwars, then into saris.
Minnie has grown up and is about to get married. The house is all decorated and lit up. Friends of Minnie are sitting around, singing and dancing as she applies mehendi.
मेहंदी है रचने वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कहे सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली हैं, तेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली हैं। मेहंदी है रचने वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कहे सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली है, तेरे मन को जीवन को नई
paces up and down, looking anxious and happy at the same time. The watchman is heard speaking loudly.
पकड़ो पकड़ो उसे जाने मत दो.
What is this shore? Who is this?
साहेब, it's me, Rahmat. I was released only today, but Mini बिटिया की याद आ गई and I have brought fruits for her.
Rahmat, Mini cannot see you today.
Why, साहेब? एक मिनट, सिर्फ ये फ्रूट देना था.
She is getting married today. That is why.
Married? Going to her sasural? And I have just come back from mine. Can I just give her my blessings, Babuji? She reminded me of my little daughter back home in Kabul.
Takes out the old and crumpled piece of paper with his daughter's palm prints.
How time has gone by. My daughter too must have grown up.
He turns back sadly.
जिंदगी, तू कब तक मेरा इम्तिहान लेगी?
एक दिन मोहब्बत ओढ़ कर एक दिन गली के मोड़ पर तेरी हथेली पर लिखूं मेरा नाम तेरे नाम पर फिर तू तकल्लुफ छोड़ कर फिर तू झुका कर के नजर रखना मेरे कांधे पे सर जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी खत पढ़ेंगे साथ में कोरा जो पन्ना रह गया एक कांपते से हाथ में थोड़ी शिकायत करना तू थोड़ी शिकायत मैं करूं नाराज बस ना होना तू जिंदगी कुछ तो बता अपना पता जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी
Rahmat, wait. I will fetch Minnie just for a minute. Ruko. Minnie, oh Minnie. See who has come to see you.
100 salam, Saab.
A shy but grown up Minnie, all dressed in wedding finery, emerges. She appears confused to see an old Pathan with worn out clothes and grey hair smile at her in astonishment.
मिनी बच्चा, तुम इतनी बड़ी हो गई हो, मैं क्या तोहफा दूंगा तुमको? यही अखरूट और आखिरी बादाम.
Minnie is still confused.
Don't remember me? I'm your old dost, Kabuli wala.
Shouts the words as he used to when Minnie was a child. Minnie blushes, and a sign of recognition and disbelief is seen in her eyes. Taking the held out fruit from Rahmat's hand, she runs away blushing. Kabuliwala's eyes are filled with tears as he realizes that his daughter too may not recognize him after so many years.
हमेशा सुखी रहो बच्चा. Thank you, Sahib. I will go to my home in Kabul. It has been too long.
As Rahmat prepares to leave, father calls him back and putting his hand in his pocket, takes out some money.
Here, Rahmat. Take this. It will be useful.
Nahi, Saab. It is okay.
You are a father too. I can understand your feelings. This is my gift to you for Minnie's wedding. Go home to your family.
Rahmat folds his hands in respect and says,
धन्यवाद बाबूजी. खुदा आपको खुश रखे.
Rahmat leaves slowly, holding a golden haired doll that he has brought for his daughter. He exits the stage, wiping a tear from his eye.
I'm sure all of us are left a little teary-eyed, and I request our own director, ma'am, Dr. Anjani Krishnaswamy, to please come on stage and say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful hour it has been. The last 1 hour, I could not believe that these were children who were under 15. And I must tell you one thing, dear parents, that none of these children had a dress rehearsal. Whatever rehearsal or practice they did, it was all at school. They did not know where they had to enter, where they had to go, what was their point, standing point, etc. So to me, that is what was most beautiful. And more than anything else, when we were having practice, instead of telling you what I felt, I want to tell you what two children, Sarim and Yashvin, one of them played the role of the mother and the other the role of the father. When they were sitting in school, when the practices were going on, they came up to me and they said, "Ma'am, we've written a poem on Kabuliwala. Can we read?" So I said, "Yes, will you correct it for us?" I just want to read this out to you because it tells you the 4 C's which I've been talking about. They've comprehended the play. They've been creative by writing it in the form of a poem. They've collaborated because it's not just a single effort. And 3, the confidence to be able to come and tell me, "Ma'am, can we read it?" And I promised them that I will read out the poem to you. Accompanied by his friends, he wanders through the valleys, the hopes of his family on his shoulders. From house to house, he dallies. A daughter at home, a figment of a smile on his mind, a soft heart, a tough demeanor, a man one of a kind. On his journey, he meets people many, most forgettable, some memorable like Minnie. A girl so fond of stories and games, a girl so young, not Minnie only in name. It was in the midst of a normal day when Minnie's life found a new mate to play. In came the Afghan with his worn-out sack, a smile, drink, and game, and he wished to come back. A cry is heard, the Pathan's life takes a hitch. Shackled and dragged, he's in a stitch. The police moves him along, leaving Minnie confused. Her Ahmed Chacha leaves her, all battered and bruised. The seasons change, and so does Minnie's life. She ties the knot and becomes somebody's bride. All the ladies dance high in their spirits, but there's a familiar voice in the back. The Pathan pays a visit. The Afghan asks for Minnie, only to meet denial. He shows the only proof of his daughter, an attempt to reconcile. The bride makes her way out, all puzzled, flustered and shy. Kabuliwala, the Pathan says, the most familiar cry. The Afghan is overjoyed. He hands Minnie her gift. Giggling, a shy Minnie runs away with her thoughts adrift. The Afghan gets a gift, a mutual fatherly favor, and then he leaves for home with a story he can savor. Can you imagine? This was done all within a span of 1 hour. I think we need to give the two young children a clap. And contrary to what the principal said, true, the concept was mine, but I did not direct it, okay? This was done by all the teachers. Different aspects of the play were done, the dances by Brian and his team. Of course, the thanks will be said to you. But for me, the thanks is the fact that you've come in large numbers to applaud and praise our children. Thank you so much. Please give us the same kind of support every time.
For your enlightening words. An annual concert isn't something that happens overnight. Weeks ago, the wheels began to turn. It necessitates forethought and a keen eye for detail. We've been lucky enough to have the support of a team who is proactive and devoted members of our institution's personnel who are experts in their field. Let us give a huge round of applause and heartfelt appreciation to all those who contributed to making this morning a success. I would like to convey my gratitude to everyone here for taking the time to join us today and for assisting us in making this event a huge success. Thank you so much to all the parents and well-wishers for your unwavering support and encouragement. Children cannot achieve excellence without your help. I thank the management and the trustees for their support and encouragement, which has given us an motivation to put our best foot forward. So can we have a huge round of applause for them? A particular mention goes to our esteemed director, Dr. Anjani Krishnaswamy, for not only overseeing every aspect of the run-through and the play, but also scripting such a beautiful story in the form of a play. Thank you so much, ma'am. The PTA who have been volunteering in this entire time, helping us throughout the show. In fact, the entire day they will be with us. Thank you so much, PTA members. We really appreciate your support. As they say, all good things must come to an end, but the show must definitely go on. The team spirit and your enthusiasm, participation, and positive energy have made this event truly memorable. See you all next year for a much bigger and brighter display. Thank you.